Okay, just got myself a new little speaker here. I wanted something very small and portable, but waterproof and well built. I like solid speakers. I don't like anything that's flimsy and you drop it and it breaks. That's wasted money in my opinion. This is the Newbie NBS1. I've had headphones by Newbie before, and the sound was amazing for the price. So I decided this time, I saw that they had this speaker, so I decided to try the speaker out. I will leave the link in the comments for this speaker on Amazon.com and .ca. So yeah, so let's go a little unboxing. So as you can see here, you can get it in green and red and black. I have the black version. So it slides out. All right, so you get the speaker, another compartment, and you get a little card, a little thank you card from Newbie. You have a 3.5 millimeter audio jack. You have a standard USB to micro USB. You also have a carabiner you can put on, carry, and to attach to a backpack or something. And this is cool. You also have a little gift, a little thing to put behind your cell phone, a little finger holder. So open that. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Hold your phone. You also have the manual, which is in multiple languages. So you have, yeah, it's pretty detailed. And a cool little feature, which I thought was great with this one, is also this. They give you a bicycle attachment with this speaker. So you can put it on your handlebars when you're out and about listening to music. All right, so let's check out the little speaker. Very nice little speaker. There's a bit of a powder, probably the rubber powder. Okay, so this is where you attach this. So you attach it here. And there you go, all nice and tight. And you clamp it on your handlebar. So we have that. And also a cool little feature of this speaker is there's a flashlight. So this can be used both as a music player on your bike and a flashlight. Let's try it out right now. There you go. 3 modes. Cool. All right, so let's take this off and let's look at the speaker itself. First thing I want to say is that it's a little smaller than I thought. Oops, sorry about that. It's a little smaller than I thought. It's very light. It's but understandable because if you put it on your bicycle, you don't want a big thing. So it's pretty cool. And it is an NFC. That's a tongue twister. NFC enabled as well. So for those of you who like that, I don't use that myself. I like Bluetooth fine, but yeah, it's pretty cool. So here you have where you're going to put your carabiner. Carabiner, I think that's how you say it. I'm French, so if I do some errors, some grammatical errors, please apologize. Please don't sue me. All right, so there you go. Pretty cool. You can put that on a backpack or something. Okay, so here is where you will charge it. There's your charging port and as well as your cable for your auxiliary if you don't have Bluetooth or somebody wants to plug in as well with you. There you go. Okay. On top, you have, I'm very clumsy this morning. So on top, you have the phone. So this is a hands-free phone as well. You have your plus and minus for your volume and tracks and all that, the power and the flashlight. So let's power this up. And I will pair it to my tablet. All right. I don't think I'll have to shut her off and put it back into pairing mode. Up, and then oh, I think I know what it is. I have it paired to the phone. I will pause it and shut off my Bluetooth. All right, so let's continue with this. I accidentally shut off my camera, so I'll have to do this part 2. Okay, part 2. Let us try to pair this to my tablet again. All right, now I'm in pairing mode. As you can see, it's blinking. So let's scan. So I should see the name of the speaker. It's not, come on, the NBS1. There it is, NBS1. There we go. Okay, let's try it out, this little guy. I will put something that sounds with good bass just to see how it plays. Okay, let's go bass. Wow, this thing is loud. I'm so surprised. You know, it's a 10-watt speaker. Wow, and the sound is pretty clear as well. I'll just lower my volume there for a second. Yeah, good clean sound. Very nice sound. Very, very nice sound. I'm very impressed by this. Yeah, I'm impressed with with most of this speaker. It's very well built. It's like, you know, it's solid. That little flashlight's pretty cool. You know, for this is the perfect little speaker in my opinion for biking, of course, camping, outdoor activities, because it's waterproof up to a certain level. You know, don't dunk it in the pool and leave it there. You know, if it rains on it, something splashes, you know, or no problem at all, you know. But yeah, it's not something you put under the water per se. But if it falls in, squish it off, squid it, you know, shake it off, and you should be fine. Super power light, so it's very portable. Well built, you know, well built. Like, this is a real, you know, very solid metal. Nice, it's all bolted together here, nice little screws, and it's all rubberized all around, so it's nice and grippy. And for those who like that, NFC enabled, so that's great for the size of this speaker. Very nice. It's got a 1000 milliamp battery. It's a 5 watt each side, so that's a 10-watt speaker. Very nice little speaker, really. For what I want, it's perfect for me. You know, it's a great little portable speaker. And now it's too cold there for biking, but next summer I'll try it out for sure for a little bike run with the boys. So there you go, the Newbie NB-S1 portable, waterproof, Bluetooth, NFC enabled speaker. That's a mouthful, but a great little speaker, and yeah, I'm impressed. So highly recommended. Have yourself a good day.